In this video, I'll show you how to change your signature in Docusign by setting up a new one using a simple and practical method. After logging in, head to your Profile section and open Manage Profile, then navigate to the Signatures area where your saved signatures are stored. From there, click Add Signature to create a new one by typing, drawing, or uploading an image of your handwritten signature. Docusign makes this process straightforward, but it's important to choose a signature style that looks professional and remains consistent across documents. Before saving, preview how the signature appears to ensure it's clear and properly formatted. Keep in mind that updating your signature only affects future documents, not ones already completed. Overall, it's a flexible feature that helps personalize your digital signing experience while keeping workflows efficient. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you stay productive and organized.